of Agile. Agile, a revolutionary approach to project management, is changing the way we work. Agile is not just a methodology, it's a mindset that embraces change, values individuals and interaction, and strives for customer satisfaction. Imagine a world where projects are completed with speed and efficiency. A world where feedback is immediate, allowing for rapid adjustments. This is the world Agile creates. In an Agile environment, teams work in short bursts, known as sprints, focusing on continuous improvement and delivering value to the customer. It's about adaptability, transparency, and collaboration. With Agile, gone are the days of rigid plans and delayed results. Agile is the future of project management, and it's here now. So, why wait? Embrace the Agile mindset today. Navigate the fluid landscape of project management with agility, efficiency, and a customer-centric approach. That's Agile. That's the future.